Well, guys, we're up here in late June on the Williams River, and to call the water low is an understatement. It is extremely low. In a lot of places, it's just a trickle. And so what I'm trying to do is find the deepest spots I can where some trout might be held up, and I'm gonna see if I can get my limit today. I don't know if I'll be able to do that or not, as low as this water is. Let me turn the phone around here and just kind of show you what we're talking about. This is probably one of the deepest holes that you're gonna be able to find. Now, if we look up this way, you're gonna see all that rock. That's normally where river is. That's normally river coming down through there pretty swift. But as you can see, it's all rock. So we're gonna go down here to this hole, see if we can get one or two to come out from under the rocks and maybe come out and feed. And if we can do this on throughout the whole stream, maybe we'll get lucky, be able to get 5 or 6 fish. I'd be tickled to death if I could get 5 or 6 today. So I better get after it. The wind's picking up. It looks like it's going to thunderstorm and definitely need the rain, so I won't complain about that. But hopefully I can fish a little bit before it comes a downpour. Wish me luck. On the very first cast, one hit it. The very first. Looks like a little rainbow. I like when they bite on the first cast. That trout shot out from under a rock and just drilled that bait. Let's get him thrown back in the water. There's another one. Another rainbow. I doubt these fish have been fished for very much. Most people's giving it up. Got a few fly fishermen still trying their luck. Pretty fish. About like the last one. About like the last one. We'll take him off and get him back in that water. I'll be daggone, he spit it out. That was still fun. He got off, he got me. See if I can land him without him getting off. He's not a bad, he looks maybe like he's a little bit bigger than them other ones. Let's see. Yeah, he's a little fatter. A little bit fatter. That's not a bad trout. If he gets off now, I don't care. We've got a good picture of him. Yeah, he's fatter than the other ones. So let me get you a good look. All right, I'm gonna get him back in. He's not a bad one. Well, took me about a high fire to catch that trout. I'm gonna take him off, put him back in. Took him about a half hour. There's a couple more out there, maybe they'll start biting. Whoa. I'm having a lot of fish get off where I'm trying to not let them swallow it. I'm trying to just hook them as little as possible. And sometimes that costs you and they get off, but that's better than having them swallow it because I really don't want to keep any today. So, still fun fighting them. Looky there. That's a pretty fish right here. See it there? Nice. That's a good one right there. And they're hitting like crazy this evening, this little hole. Like I say, none of them are real big. Man, they sure are fun to fool with. Looky there. See if he'll flop off there. That's a pretty trout right there, buddy. Don't get no prettier than that. Another one. That's just one right after another. See if we can shake him off there. Looks like I'm gonna have to take a hook off of him. Pretty fish. Looky there. Cast it up on the other side of that rock, and I'll be daggone if one didn't hit it. Hold still, old buddy. It's barely hooked. Barely hooked. There it is. Just laying right up there on the other side of that rock. Hopefully it'll swim back up there.